Don't look too bad up there. It's a little gray out there. It's a wee bit. Too much fun. A transient center. Vultures waiting for him to freeze to death. Mm, 31. Oh, shit. Oh. Yeah. It's pretty calm out over here. I guess we're learning how to dock. Should have a little more speed than that. There's another one out there. Yeah, he's got bow thrusters. That's cheating. Nice. This is what your car looks like when you park on the 35. Waterfalls. Way. Too much fun. Ducks. And knee-deep snow. With a layer crust. That's a lot of ducks. Nice. Ice grass. Oh, fuck. That hurt. Oh, there we are. Some more Alaskan stuff. But yeah, I got a good load of crust. Little chop in the water. This keeps up, I think I'm gonna go swimming tomorrow. I don't take my bath once a year. I'll take it out on the old lady. You don't want that. And I think I made a good call saying we're not gonna do the camping because avalanche. And the avalanche guy said, yeah, avalanche danger. Got this layer of crust and a layer of powder and a layer of crust. Gotta give that stuff time to pack down, man. Not to mention we had an earthquake a couple days ago. Last thing you need to be is, you know, on the wrong side of the avalanche zone during an earthquake. The iced over seagrass is kind of cool, though. I guess we better wrap it up, because I got the 10% warning. I'm like, got graffiti. Empire. Is that, do you know Empire? All skulls. CA, more like crap friends. November 88. Yeah. That's been there a while. That's cool. Dyslexic there.